That's the stuff from last unit. Yes? Our exponent laws that we had to bring forward to do this unit. Yes?
Is this a makeup test, like our big one?
No, this is your second unit. You are going to do your cumulative midterm thing after the polynomials unit. Normally, I do them every 2 for you, those of you that have been in my class before. But because exponents, radicals, and polynomials are all very tightly bound together, and there's only a couple of new things in each in grade 11, I'm going to keep them all together on one cumulative. All right, so what new stuff did we learn this year in this unit? No. In radicals, what we do. The conjugate's the newest thing, right? And that applies to dividing radicals, right?
So
adding and subtracting, how did we take previous knowledge and learn how to add and subtract? What did you already have that you brought to the party so you could add and subtract radicals? Don't say a stupid answer. Just, what did you bring to the party? What does this mean? What does this mean? 6 root 7. What does that mean? 6 times the root of 7, yes? What does that mean? 6 times x. So I'll ask again. What previous knowledge did you bring to the party so you could add and subtract rationals? Grouping, what do we call that? Like terms. If they're the same, they add. Right? It is never 9 root 14, right? What happens if I have this? 6 root 12 plus 8 root 27. Can I add that? Once you simplify. So we bring grade 10 to here, we bring more grade 10 to here, and we have our new answer. We synthesize how to do something new, right? So what's that going to be? That's going to be 4 times 3, and what's that going to be? 9 times 3. So what do I get? Hey, Adara. Oh, wait, no, this isn't multiplying yet. Never mind. I'm coming for you. What's this one? 24 root 3 to get us 36 root 3. We can all add, yes? Anything different with subtraction? Anything different with subtraction? So what would 5 root 3 minus 8 root 3 be? Negative 3 root 3, and that's okay. Can everybody add and subtract? Yeah? Okay. What about this? 3 cube root 4 plus 5 root 4. Can we add those? Why not?
Different indexes.
Different indices. Well done. Okay. The plural of index is indices. I know it sounds lame to say. You sound, yeah, no. Nobody says it, right? But then you say it and everyone's like, ooh, who are you? Okay. Then we did multiply. Again, we brought previous knowledge forward, yes? We all know what 5x times 3x is. What is it? 15x squared. We also know what 5x times 3y is. What is it? Why is this one important? What would you tell me the answer to 3 root 7 times 4 root 2 is? Okay, what would you tell me this answer is? Absolutely. It looks ugly, but you're bringing your previous knowledge forward because math's always the same. Everyone is good? Watch out for that. Right? Because sometimes you'll see a question like this. 3 cube root 5 times 6 cube root 5. What's that going to be? Cube root 25. Right? You just line it up. Okay, and then we get to the real problem. Did I leave you 2 blank pages for test reminders? No. Your next page is an outline? How do I get rid of that? Does it matter what's on top? No. I'll just put an M there. How do I get rid of that? Okay. How do I get rid of that? You can do that. Do you have to? No. You can do root x again. Why in this case? It's a monomial. Okay. So what about this? X plus root y. Root x minus root y. Root x minus root y. Okay. And lastly, the last thing you need to know for your test, what if I had a root x minus b root y? What do I have to multiply that one by? A root x plus b root y and a root x plus b root y. What do we call that? You already said it. The conjugate. That's cool. Is everybody good? All right? Everyone's cool? 15 times 27? You can. I just think it's awesome.
I'll use different factors.
You don't have to. I just like that it started factored and you unfactored it and then refactored it.
It's easier to process in my little brain.
Whatever. I'm just saying. I told you. I am interested to know that that is the thought process.
Okay.
All right. We're all good with radicals?
Yeah.
Yes? I could give you a test right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That would be a good executive decision. All right. Okay, turn the page over, ladies and gentlemen. You should be on polynomial multiplication, yes? Have a good weekend, Mr. Como. That is exactly how I always do a test review. All right. Is this page 54 for you? Is it the same page numbers? Yes. All right. Okay.
Wait a minute. How did that change?
How did what change?
You used to have lower numbers than us. How did it get back to...
Oh, because I kept the old pages from before I redid the book. So I have a key sometimes just in case. You sound like that lady with the hole in her throat.
Because she had lung cancer because she smoked.
Yes, no, she had emphysema. I'm pretty sure. Yes, it was still from smoking. Yes. The best name for a smoker ever, Barb Tarbox. Yeah, that was her name in real life. Yeah, go ahead. All right. No, she didn't, but I have seen people take the plug out of their throat and put a cigarette there so they can continue to smoke. That's
really not pleasant.
That's one word for it. I have also seen people keep the plug in, smoke here, let it out, and then go and have the smoke come out their neck hole. It's disgusting. I don't think you could blow O's. But I'm not sure. I know for a fact that if I got a hold of at least 50% of your internet search histories by Monday, at least 50% of you are looking up blowing holes out through. I know you are. All right, listen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first 3 or 4 pages of this next unit is all grade 10. You know how to do it. But your factoring skills, most of you, and I'm not trying to put you down, I taught a lot of you, your factoring skills are tenuous. Okay? So we're going to do a lot of reviewing. Yeah, they're like Sophia's voice right now bad. Yes. You sound like the Gelf or the bad guys in the Dark Crystal. If none of you have seen that.
You're that one guy that went. Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
He thought Star Wars group.
Okay. For the rest of today, make sure you can multiply this. That'll take us to the end of the day, and you'll have no weekend homework. Literally, that should take 2 seconds a question. Huh? It's the same as when we do the rationalizing a denominator, Bea. First, outside, inside, last. Okay, ladies and